Okay, so here's my green screen. You can see it. Let me explain it real quick. This is a 10 by 10 green screen, which I encourage you to get. Now, I got this on eBay. I got it for $14. I like it better. You could use a sheet from like Walmart, but this is a little more silky. It's machine washable. Don't worry that you see how those wrinkles come out depending on how you do it. You don't have to get every wrinkle out to use it in the background. Now, let me explain. A lot of people want to hang these from their ceilings with thumbtacks, things like that. I wanted to make this completely portable. I take it in the garage, I put it downstairs. Let me show you how I did that real quick. I made a frame out of 1-inch PVC piping. You go to Home Depot, Menards, whatever store you have, Lowell's, whatever's around you. You buy this plastic PVC piping. Try to get the 12-foot ones. They're only like $3. This whole freaking frame cost me like $14. It was so cheap. And these were like 88 cents, couple clips, okay? The way I built it, it all comes apart. Nothing's glued together. It just literally fits together. So what I've done is I have two cuts. 1, 2 up top. And I've got a couple elbows up there. They just don't have that third little knuckle on them so that the green screen can slide through it. Okay? So what I've done is I've got right there, you got the elbow, it comes down. I learned to cut it halfway here so that way it folds up easier, or it goes away easier, okay? And then it goes down, and then at the bottom I put these, and there's 2 landing pads that come out, okay? So you got 2 landing pads. The pipe goes up to the middle one right here, continues up to the other elbow, then goes over, and the same thing on the other side, okay? Now, the reason I have sheets under the bottom is to keep the green screen clean when I'm in different locations, okay? Those are some old sheets. It is machine washable, though. The lighting, you gotta get used to it. When there's someone against the green screen, you gotta play with it. See how the shadows are? I learned that the lights come from the side. The side to eliminate shadows when you're standing in front of the green screen. But if the green screen's behind you, like an OBS, just in the room lighting generally works just fine. So that's how you build one. All right, PVC piping. You just cut this stuff with, I did it with a little circular saw. This stuff, you just cut it with a little saw. That's how you build your frame. And it all just comes apart, goes in a box. So hopefully that's good enough for that and a quick tutorial on lighting.
Hey guys, Green Bay Wacky is normally a comedy channel. I make incredibly funny videos, spoofs, skits, fake commercials, fake products, and I do incredibly busy live streams to get you active subs. So subscribe, turn on the notifications, and check us out. But I do hope you enjoyed this how-to video on the green screen.